You're going about your day, maybe getting up from a chair, stepping off a curb, even standing up from sitting for long periods. And then it happens. That terrifying moment when your legs hesitate beneath you, stealing your independence one unsteady step at a time. You think, is this normal for my age? The answer is no. Weakening legs aren't just a natural part of aging. They're a signal that your muscles are starving for 6 essential vitamins. Doctors often overlook these in favor of age as the culprit. But after 20 years of helping seniors reclaim their vitality, I've seen the truth. It's not age that weakens us. It's unknowingly robbing our muscles of these 6 vitamins. The result? Shaky, unreliable legs that steal our confidence and freedom. What if I told you there's a way to supercharge your legs' strength naturally? It's not with fancy pills or endless workouts, but by tapping into the hidden power within your plate. Whether you're 50 or 80, you have the ability to unlock legs that carry you confidently through life. Today, let us discover which 6 vitamins can make that dream a reality and learn how to get them from the foods you already enjoy. Are you ready to take back control of your legs, your life? Let's dive in. No. 1. Vitamin D, the master power switch for your legs. Picture this, a winter morning. You wake up stiff, feeling the heaviness in your legs, yearning for a bit more sunshine. But life indoors has its challenges. Getting up from a chair feels like climbing Mount Everest. Simple steps become obstacles courses. It's not just tiring. It steals your confidence and worries start creeping in. Will I ever walk normally again? Or worse, will I need a walker soon? Trust me, you don't have to accept this. Weakened legs are fixable. At any age, our muscles need power, and that comes from vitamin D. But here's the twist. After 60, our skin makes 70% less vitamin D from sunlight alone. Even a sunny day leaves many of us deficient, but that doesn't mean we're powerless. Optimal vitamin D levels bring 27% greater leg strength, warding off falls, climbing stairs, and standing up from chairs with ease. No, it's not a magic pill. It's science. Harvard Medical School studies show taking 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily can make a world of difference. To find it, feast on wild salmon, nearly 1,000 IU per serving, or pasture-raised eggs. Here's the pro tip. Pair your supplements with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. This boosts absorption by 32%, turning nutrition into real strength. Remember, it's not about being old. It's about muscles that lack power. Give them what they need, vitamin D, and watch your legs come back to life. Next up, vitamin B12, your nerve's faithful messenger. Imagine waking up refreshed, eager to tackle the day, yet something's amiss. Those initial moments when you intend to rise, stand, or walk, your body seems stuck in slow motion. It's frustrating. You know you want to move, but your legs respond sluggishly as if disconnected from your thoughts. But here's the secret. This lag isn't age playing tricks. It's often vitamin B12 deficiency, making your nerves' communication break down. Here's the why. As we age, common medications like acid reducers or metformin deplete B12. Even if you're plant-based, B12 mostly comes from animal products, not plants. So how do you bridge this gap? Nourish your body with beef liver, a powerhouse source of B12, or try clams, mussels, or wild salmon. And when it comes to supplements, opt for sublingual tablets placed under the tongue. They bypass the digestive system, boosting absorption by 40%. That simple change can restore your legs' agility and balance. It's not about relying on pills. It's about optimizing nature's and science's gifts to keep you moving, standing, and walking with purpose. Every step you take, every rise from a seat, it's a testament to the connection between what you put in and get out of your body. Make that connection strong, starting with B12. Now, vitamin C, the muscle master builder. Have you noticed those days when the world feels extra bright, the tasks extra heavy, and even a mild breeze knocks you off balance? You might brush it off as a not today kind of feeling. But did you know that shaky feeling in your legs could be your body's SOS call? It often means you're low on vitamin C, a key player in building the structural integrity of your muscles. Our bodies naturally produce less vitamin C with age, and research suggests we need 400 to 500 milligrams daily, way more than the standard advice. But where can you find this gold mine? Nature's Pantry offers bountiful treats, Fresh strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers are brimming with vitamin C. But remember, fresher is better. Seek fruits and veggies eaten within days of harvest for maximum potency. Feeling that second wind during walks? That's likely your muscles running on optimized vitamin C, helping you conquer every step with newfound vigor. Just like B12, vitamin C is your ally for steady, balanced steps. But don't just take it. Understand it, embrace it, and see how it transforms your approach to life's everyday moves. Vitamin E, your muscles' daily shield. Envision this scenario. You're out for your daily walk, feeling the sun on your face, the wind in your hair. But suddenly, there's a jarring misstep. You stumble, catching your balance. In that instant, the fear of falling echoes in your mind. Now picture a world where such stumbles become a thing of the past, where your steps are sure-footed and steady. That's the promise of vitamin E. Now, here's the catch. Not all vitamin E is created equal. The star of the show is gamma-tocopherol. Find it in walnuts, pecans, and sunflower seeds. When paired with selenium, sourced from just 2 Brazil nuts daily, it forms a powerful defense for your muscles' power plants. Almonds, spinach, and olive oil also play their part in this daily shield. Together, they guard against the gradual creep of weakness that seems to come with age. But remember, it's not about age. It's about shielding your legs from the wear and tear that life inevitably brings. With vitamin E and a balanced diet, you can keep your legs strong, your stride confident, and your worry about falls at bay. Vitamin K, the calcium director, profoundly overlooked. Picture this. You're hosting your loved ones, laughter echoing through your home, and you effortlessly rise to greet your guests. Yet behind this easy grace lies a silent hero. Vitamin K, ensuring that every step you take, every handshake you offer, is a testament to your strong bones and fortified muscles. You see, while doctors often focus on calcium as the bone-building nutrient, vitamin K2 quietly orchestrates the magic. Found in aged cheeses like Gouda, sauerkraut, and natto. Vitamin K2 plays a pivotal role in directing calcium to where it belongs. This is crucial for the contractile force that propels you forward. It helps build the structural stability triangle, bones, muscles, and connective tissues working in harmony. In a 7-year study, seniors with good vitamin K intake had 65% fewer falls, proving its impact on stability. If you're on blood thinners, work with your doctor for consistent, safe intake. Don't avoid this vital nutrient. Instead, understand its importance. Embrace it and let it be the conductor of your leg strength symphony. And finally, vitamin B6, the protein activator. Imagine waking up feeling the familiar pull of gravity on your legs, but this time, something's different. Every step you take is lighter, more energetic, and you notice you're not dragging yourself along. It's as if your legs are finding their rhythm again. This transformation begins with understanding that vitamin B6 converts dietary protein into the building blocks your legs need to thrive. It's especially vital for the first crucial minutes of movement when your body needs quick energy. Medications like antacids deplete B6, leaving you susceptible to nighttime leg cramps. Combat this by feasting on dark meat chicken, baked potatoes with skin, and bananas paired with almond butter. A Dutch study showed optimal B6 levels boost walking energy efficiency by 25%. It's not just about nourishment. It's about igniting the spark of vitality within your body. By focusing on these 6 vitamins, you empower your legs to dance through life with renewed vigor. Martha, 85, was told by her doctor that a walker was inevitable. She felt defeated until she focused on these 6 vitamins. In 6 weeks, she walked unaided, and by week 12, she climbed her grandchildren's stairs, tears of joy streaming down her face. Our story isn't magic, it's nutrition meeting determination. Start your own journey tomorrow. Begin with lemon water and eggs by a sunny window. Enjoy a colorful lunch salad with peppers, almonds, and olive oil. Dinner roast chicken with sweet potato and a sprinkle of cheese. Rotate your vitamin sources to maximize absorption. Feel unexplained fatigue, heavy legs, or nighttime cramps. Focus on these vitamins and ask your doctor for specific tests. Tailor intake with your doctor. If you have health conditions like diabetes or kidney disease, your independence rests on strong legs. These 6 vitamins, woven into meals you already enjoy, can rebuild that foundation. Our next video pairs these vitamins with simple exercises. Till then, nourish your body with intention. Your future self steady, confident, and free, awaits. Which vitamin resonates most with your journey? Share your thoughts below. Your wisdom enriches us all. Thank you for spending this time with us. If this video touched your heart, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to join our Golden Life for Seniors community. New videos every week, crafted for your mind, body, and soul. Till next time, take care and stay golden.